Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can apply some transition to all clips at once in CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application in my PC, and then for example, I'm going to apply some transition to all the clips that I have imported to my CapCut project. So first of all, we can click on this transition option right here. And we're going to select the transition that we want to apply to our clips. And for instance, I'm just going to select this transition. We can click on this plus button to add it to our clips. And then as you can see that now the transition has been applied to this clip. And if we want to apply same transition to all clips, we can click on apply to all. But before it, we can adjust the duration right here and click on apply to all. Okay, and now this transition has been applied to all my clips, and I'm going to check the result. I'm going to play the video. And I guess that's how we can apply some transition to all clips at once in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.